Top 5 Northern European countries for a quick work visa. 1. Estonia. This tech-savvy country has an efficient work visa process and even offers an e-Residency program to help you start a business from anywhere in the world. 2. Lithuania. A booming economy in technology and manufacturing makes it easy for skilled workers to find jobs. The visa process is simple and the cost of living is lower than in many other European countries. 3. Iceland. Fast work visa and high quality of life. Iceland isn't just about stunning landscapes. It's a great place for tech, tourism, and energy professionals with a fast-track work visa process and an amazing work-life balance. 4. Latvia. It's a top choice for IT and finance professionals with quick visa approvals and an affordable cost of living. 5. Slovakia. A hidden gem for fast work visas. And finally, Slovakia. A fast-growing economy with easy work visa policies for engineers, IT experts, and manufacturing professionals. Start your work visa journey today. Want to work in Northern Europe? These countries make it easy. Start your journey today. For more details, visit us www.oasis-india.com.